Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this segment, we will focus on the intricate process of replacing the motor, blade, and panel of your Thermomix TM31. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother and more efficient. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety. Once it's disconnected from the power source, place it on a stable surface. Begin by removing the base cover. This is typically secured with several screws located at the bottom of the unit. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew these, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. With the base cover removed, you will now have access to the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. It's advisable to clean the internal parts gently with a soft cloth to ensure optimal performance once reassembled. Next, we will focus on the motor. The motor is usually held in place with a few screws. Using your spanner, carefully unscrew these and gently lift the motor out. If you encounter any resistance, double check for any screws you may have missed. Remember, if this seems too tricky, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the support you need. Once the motor is removed, it's time to replace it with the new one. Align the new motor in the same position as the old one and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it is tightly fastened to avoid any operational issues. Now, let's move on to the blade. The blade assembly is typically located just above the motor. Carefully detach it by unscrewing the retaining screws. Be cautious, as the blades can be sharp. After removing the old blade, clean the area thoroughly before installing the new one. This will help maintain hygiene and performance. When installing the new blade, ensure it is securely fastened and aligned correctly. This is crucial for the efficient operation of your Thermomix. If you're unsure about the installation, remember we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions. After replacing the blade, it's time to address the panel. The panel is usually secured with clips or screws. Gently pry it off using your flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. Once removed, inspect the panel for any signs of wear or damage. If it's in good condition, you can proceed to reattach it. If not, consider replacing it to ensure your appliance looks and functions well. Reattach the panel by aligning it with the clips or screws and pressing it back into place. Ensure it is secure and fits snugly. Finally, replace the base cover by reversing the steps taken to remove it. Tighten all screws firmly to ensure everything is held in place. Once you have completed these steps, plug your Thermomix TM31 back in and perform a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also offer collection and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your appliance serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. This way, you can enjoy your Thermomix TM31 with peace of mind, knowing it's in top condition. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.